Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So Good Friday morning, and we are weekend ready. We've been here already in Serbia 4 days, visiting a lot of clients. Everybody, almost everybody now, a few more to go see. Next week, this week, today to finish up the day here and finish up the week here, we're filming once again at Eagle Hills Development, but Belgrade waterfront, and this is more of the retail sector. As you can see behind me there's a lot of little restaurants, big restaurants, and outdoor dining right next to the river here. This place is completely full from about 12 o'clock on into the night. Lots of fun things happening. Right behind it, or next to it, is the shopping center, the Galleria, probably the biggest Galleria in Belgrade, doing really well. Lots of opportunities there as well for retailers potentially to set up their shops. And then behind me from this side, of course, you see the office building being built. The Galleria is open for business. Lots of people going in there. Very nice area here. You've got, of course, the lovely, waterfront and back, and a lot of boats going by, and people doing things on the weekends for sure. So this will be the river will be full of boats when it comes around then. We've also launched our BESG, so it's our Serbian platform for ESG platform, and we're really just saving the bees and all of our clients as well. We're providing them with, we're giving them like the best honey in Serbia, made right here in Belgrade. The bees are right here in the center of Belgrade. Great, our partners with MadMed, who are doing all the hard work. But we've got our Serbia monthly honey all ready to distribute. So if you're in Belgrade, and even if you'd like to just get a free bottle of the best honey in Serbia, let us know. We've got that ready, and that's with our magazine, our Serbia Monthly. We're also, as I mentioned, I think the days earlier, we've signed our deal for the international media partnership for Serbia Open. So we've got some great opportunities for our clients to become partners, to become corporate partners with us in Serbia Open. So if you're a tennis fan and you want to meet some of the tennis royalty, I would call them. Also, of course, being in the VIP section, you also meet many business people, local, international, people that you may just not meet normally. So it's always a good time out. And then after that, we have just a great couple of days, fantastic tour of wine country here in Serbia. Just kind of the best place in Europe to go try wine, and very nice people, a lot of fun, great foods, great wines, also to try. So now we hope everyone will have a great weekend. We may even do a little bit of filming over the weekend at some interesting places. And don't worry, next week we're doing more filming inside and in the city of Belgrade, and also covering a lot of the other projects going on. So have a good weekend. We'll take a little bit of a break, show you some of what we're doing with our events. Also, then we'll be straight to Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief, giving you the wrap-up of the news here this week. And don't forget, we've got EXPO Real at the beginning of October, then CRE Awards in Hungary on the 20th, and CEE Investment Awards on the 27th in Warsaw. So have a good weekend, and we will see you Monday morning in Serbia. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, This will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, CREawards.net or EuropaProperty.com.
Good Friday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. And here are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. And today we'll begin in Poland, and Cushman Wakefield has released a summary of the first half of 2022 on the Polish investment market. And in the first 2 quarters of the year, Poland's total commercial property investment volume was 44% higher than in the same period last year. And according to Paweł Partyka, partner at capital markets at Cushman Wakefield, the Polish commercial real estate market entered 2022 with great momentum. Many large and low-yield transactions were closed in the first half of the year, with more to follow to the end of the year. Key market fundamentals are improving gradually, say the agency, with industrial vacancy rates hitting all-time lows and the Warsaw office market likely to experience an undersupply in the coming 18 to 24 months. That will put upward pressure on office rents. The rental growth prospects are already encouraging investors to increase activity, which is likely to lead to investment volume normalization. Moving to the green building in the industrial sector, and MLP Group has published its latest ESG strategy. The newly unveiled strategy is a manifestation of the importance that the group's management board attaches to sustainability. The company intends to set the highest environmental standards in the logistics and industrial property sectors. Respect for nature and care for the natural environment are the cornerstones of the activities carried out by the group. They're developing a network of modern urban logistics parks in Poland, Germany, Austria and Romania, and they've set themselves a goal of net zero carbon emissions by 2026. And according to Tomasz Zabost, member of the management board at MLP Group, in our new strategy, we've included all key directions of activity and principal tasks to be completed to achieve net zero carbon emissions. We're focused on our goal for reaching carbon neutrality by 2026. This is also very important for our tenants. Environmental protection is often a major challenge for them, and at the same time, they obtain tangible financial gains by, for example, using renewable energy. Moving to the retail sector, and customer engagement platform Sales Manago has acquired 100 new customers in 2022, including Toys R Us, Farm24 and Wycon, Italy's premier supplier of cosmetics. A recent study by McKinsey found that inflation has caused more customers to switch brand loyalties since the beginning of 2022 than in all of 2020 and 2021 put together, and 90% of them plan to adjust their shopping behavior yet further to the prevailing market conditions. In response, according to research by Martech Series, more than 70% of e-commerce companies believe that implementing customer data management will be a key factor in retaining and developing customer loyalty. And according to Greg Blazewicz, founder and CEO of Sales Manago, today's e-commerce business are faced with extremely difficult market conditions. 95% of them are concerned about the real possibility of a recession in the near future, while also having to cope with the additional pressures of increasingly unstable customer loyalty, new data protection regulations, and the big tech war over customer data. And finally for today, moving to Romania, and Scalia, which is developing retail parks in the country, has leased more than 6,200 square meters to 11 new retailers over the last 3 months. Some of the retailers included in the new contracts are Pepco, Kik, Sportissimo, Penti, Elmark and Superzoo. And they will be, by the end of the year, Scalia hopes to have a portfolio of around 40,000 square meters of commissioned lettable retail space located in Romanian retail parks. And in 2023, the company plans further openings, and all their facilities are to be certified under the BREEAM certification system. And according to Wojciech Jurga, managing partner at Scalia, responsible for the company's development in Romania, retail parks implemented by us in Romania provide the market with a diverse, unique offer, which includes stores of recognized international brands. And those are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. For more news, please join me again on Monday. In the meantime, have a great weekend.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.